Hello, what is going on and what does it mean for you? What is going on? We're going to take a quick look as to what the big guys are saying about the economy, the Fed, and unemployment next year. And start up with the big one, Goldman Sachs. What is Goldman Sachs predicting next year? Well, essentially, they're seeing still growth next year. And they're not seeing a recession. They're seeing the inflation, core inflation from 5% to 3% decrease in 2003, and only a 1.5% rise in unemployment rate. And they also expect about 125 basis points additional increase from the Fed, and we don't expect cuts in 2023. So that's a pretty rosy scenario.